Need to figure out how much of your paycheck actually goes to taxes? Let me show you how. Head over to the income tax calculator at foundthetool.com. This tool estimates your federal tax, state tax, FISA, and take-home pay for all 50 states. Start by choosing your tax year and filing status. We'll select married filing jointly for this example. Next, pick your state. Let's go with California, which has one of the higher state income tax rates in the country. Now enter your wage income. We'll use $120,000 as our salary. You can also add other ordinary income and long-term capital gains. Let's say this household earned $5,000 in interest and $10,000 from an investment they sold. Finally, add the number of dependents. We'll enter 2 for this family. The calculator instantly shows your estimated tax result right at the top of the results card. Scroll down and you'll find a full breakdown: federal tax, state tax, Social Security, Medicare, and your estimated take-home pay all laid out clearly. There's even a tax bracket breakdown so you can see exactly which portions of your income fall into each bracket. You can copy or share your results with a single click. Great for comparing scenarios or saving your estimate. Give it a try yourself at the income tax calculator on foundthetool.com. The link is in the description below.